In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do camera tracking using CapCut so that you will have viral camera movement effect in your videos. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to show you the full step-by-step process. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I have got a video clip in my timeline, and you can see my head is moving but the camera is not moving. So now we're going to make the camera track and move along. So let's do that. So to start the process, I'm going to select the clip, and after that we have to go under video, and then we have to scroll a bit down and we'll find this camera tracking option. So let's click on camera tracking to enable this one, and then you can track face, you can track body, you can track hand, and you can track a specific part of a video using this custom feature. So I'm going to go with face since my face is already trackable. So I'm going to click on start, and after that the processing will start. As you can see here, just take a look, the camera movement. Now you can do some settings. For example, you can fit it to canvas. So if I click on fit it to canvas, you will see that it will zoom in, so the movement stays properly in the center. So let's do this. Let's just check out the video. Okay, and if you want, you can lock the object as well. Here we go. Okay, now if I show you the previous version, so if I uncheck this one, you can see this was the video, and now after checking this, we have got this movement. So again, you can track body, you can track hand, and you can track any object by using this custom feature. So this is it for the video. I believe you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below, and don't forget to check out my other CapCut tutorials, links given into the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.